Hey, I'm James from Attio, and I'm here today with Mahedi from Granola, who's going to show us one of the wildly popular apps that he's helped put together on the Attio App Store.
So Granola is the AI notepad for people and teams in back-to-back meetings. What Granola does is it listens in your meetings and summarizes everything that's happened. So you don't have to be in the meeting and like writing down everything as things are happening, and you can just focus on the meeting itself. Once you have a meeting in Granola, it will automatically summarize everything for you, and you can click on the three dots menu here and save to Attio. Then when we go over to Attio and go into the notes tab, you'll see that this note has just popped up and you can see the full summary from Granola. So one of the more powerful ways of like triggering Attio is through Granola folders. So folders are a space for your team to share all the context from the different meetings that they're having. And we can come into integrations here and turn on Attio for all of these three categories, and it will automatically get pushed to Attio.
So I know on our end, we've seen a crazy amount for the Granola integration. It's one of our most used integrations, and people are sending thousands and thousands of notes every week.
So many people are using it every single day to share the context that they have within Granola to Attio. And I think that just builds the connection like so much stronger for us in general.
So thanks so much for sitting down with me today to show us what you built over at Granola.
Of course.
And if you want to join thousands of other users in using the Granola app, you can head to attio.com/apps and install it today.